Hi guys, welcome to this short video about Android ringtone alarm events, notification, sound levels. The problem in the new Android version, I don't know when this has started, probably with Android 4 or 5, that Google has decided to combine these notification and alarm and event, and the problem is then you cannot just turn something off, like put the alarm on silent and have the ringtone still on and maybe notification also silent. When you see this here underneath, you see there is just one thing which regulates calls, reminders and notifications. If you go down, that means everything. If it goes up, it's also everything. So I stopped this, and it seems like there is no easy solution for that, even when there are apps on the market, like I have installed one here. So here we have this volume control. Some of these apps are called Volume Butler whatsoever, and we can, yeah, of course we have to give all the access. So here we are on the volume here. So I allow this to regulate this, and now I can change this. But as you can see, there's an alert here saying volume linked to your device, links notification volume and ringtone volume. To change them separately, please disable this behavior, and in the setting of your device this message will not be shown again. But I cannot change this setting. This is not something which just comes from, my device is a Xiaomi. This is Android, and I think there are not many manufacturers which have solved this issue. So it looks like most of the people are stuck with this, that it regulates everything, ringer notification and system, maybe also other stuff at the same time. So how to solve this issue? Let's go back to the system. So here we are back on the settings. We go to the sound and vibration, and here we have the settings. So I want to keep the ringtones because I want to get a notification when somebody wants to call me, but I don't need alarms, events, notifications. A lot of people, they have their Android Wear watches where they get enough notifications, alarms, events whatsoever, and you just want to have the rings when somebody calls you. So what to do? So I'll click on alarm now. We go to all ringtones, and there's something like choose local ringtones. And here I have the audio files, and here on top there's the silence.wave, and that's something which I've been recording. There are a couple of apps which you can download, and you can just record something like a wave audio or MP3 or AAC or whatsoever. Just start it and stop it after 1 second when it's totally silent, and then you can use that. If you don't want to do that, I will upload it to my Dropbox. You can use it, you can download it, so you don't have to install the app and record it if you don't want that. That's probably even easier. So I'll put down the link into the description down below. So here I select the silence wave, which is just basically 1 second of silence which I've been recording, and then we click on OK and go back and back again, and we see here on the alarm here we have the silence. The numbers go up every time you change that. Next time it will be silence 6, silence 7. I don't know why, but anyway, it will be silent. There is nothing, the sound will be played, but the sound is silent. So yeah, you won't hear that. And you can do this also for the events and for everything. Go to local, go to audio file, go to silent, click OK, go back, and same thing also for the notification. As you can see, there is that this can really work for everything. You don't have to change different or record different things. You can use the same audio sound for everything. And now I have silenced everything except from the ringtones, and this has been working pretty good for me. There were some really rare exceptions. I don't know what it is, but in 99% of the cases it has been working, and I hope it will work for you too. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.